Dental crowns, cost comparison between Europe and Turkey. Dental crowns are a common dental procedure that many people undergo to restore the shape, size, and strength of their teeth. They are often used to cover damaged or discolored teeth and to improve the overall appearance of the smile. However, the cost of dental crowns can vary significantly depending on where you live. In this video, we will compare the costs of dental crowns in Europe and Turkey to help you make an informed decision about where to get this procedure done. Cost of dental crowns in Europe. In Europe, the cost of dental crowns can vary depending on the country and the dental clinic you choose. On average, the cost of a dental crown in Europe can range from $500 to $1,000 per tooth. This cost includes the price of the crown itself, as well as any additional fees for procedures such as tooth preparation, anesthesia, and follow-up appointments. Countries like Germany, France, and the Netherlands tend to have higher prices for dental crowns compared to countries in Eastern Europe. For example, a dental crown in Germany can cost around $800 to $1,200 per tooth, while in Hungary or Poland, the cost can be as low as $300 to $500 per tooth. Cost of dental crowns in Turkey. Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism in recent years due to its high-quality dental services at affordable prices. The cost of a dental crown in Turkey is significantly lower compared to Europe, making it an attractive option for many international patients. On average, the cost of a dental crown in Turkey can range from $150 to $400 per tooth. This cost includes the price of the crown, as well as any additional fees for procedures and appointments. Turkey is known for its advanced dental technology and highly trained dentists, so you can expect to receive the same quality of care as you would in Europe, but at a fraction of the cost. Cost comparison. When comparing the cost of dental crowns in Europe and Turkey, it is clear that Turkey offers a more affordable option for patients looking to save money without compromising on quality. While the cost of a dental crown in Europe can range from $500 to $1,000 per tooth, in Turkey, the cost is significantly lower at $150 to $400 per tooth. In addition to cost savings, many patients choose to get dental crowns in Turkey because of the high standard of care provided by Turkish dentists. Turkey is home to many internationally accredited dental clinics that use the latest technology and techniques to ensure the best possible outcomes for their patients. If you are considering getting dental crowns done and are looking to save money without sacrificing quality, Turkey may be the perfect destination for you. With lower costs and high-quality care, Turkey offers a cost-effective solution for those seeking to improve their smile. However, it is important to do your research and choose a reputable dental clinic with experienced dentists to ensure the best possible outcome. In conclusion, when it comes to dental crowns, the cost comparison between Europe and Turkey clearly favors Turkey as a more affordable option for those looking to get this procedure done. With lower prices and excellent quality of care, Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism and is a great choice for patients seeking to improve their dental health and appearance.